want to start this video off with taking a moment. It is Memorial Day here in the United States, and what that means is that today is the day to remember those who died and those who are still living, about what they did for this country. And they signed, I'm sure they signed their, they signed their signature and said, hey, if it comes to be, I will die for my country. And that is just so mind-blowing to me. My grandfather served in the Army, and I'll put a picture up here for you. He was a corporal in the Army, and today is the day. He passed away in 2013, so today and his birthday is one of those days where you just remember him and remember the good times that you had with him, or any of your loved ones. Anyone who has any loved ones who served and that passed away or are still here. One thing my grandfather told me, and I'll never forget it, is take your hands out of your pockets. So I guess when I was younger, I would walk around, with my hands in my pockets like this. And I don't know if I thought I was cool or something, but he said, you look more important with your hands outside of your pockets, like this, like you're standing for something and you're not like closed off and you're like hunched over, keeping to yourself. And I'll never forget that. But yeah, let's go for this hike. So I wanted to get out today and go for a little hike because it's so nice out. Right behind me here is a place called Boxcar Rocks, or Chinese Wall. And it's like an 80-foot tall rock formation in Pennsylvania. It's known to be part of the old glaciers that were here at one point in the history, and it melted and now it exposed these rocks. They were a big part of like Native Americans. They camped here and used them for shelter. And I wanted to get out and make this video about these because they're very neat. Alright, right here behind me sorta is like the beginning of this section of the rock. I know it continues that way like a quarter mile, and it also goes this way. As you can see, sorta, it's really grown in here right now this time of the year. Cool. It's like a little cave here between the two rocks. It's pretty grown in, but this is a nice view. So the other place I want to check out is right over all this greenery that you see here. And there was a trail. It's like springtime, it's almost summer, so it's all grown in right now. I think I'm just gonna go for it. So yeah, here we go. Ooh. yeah, I'm gonna have to check myself for ticks. Definitely when I get back to the car. All right, here they are. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. All right, so I made it. Whew. Let's go check this out. Right up here's the top. I nailed my head on a rock back there, and it hurt, but I'm good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. All right, let's head out of here. If you enjoyed this video of me going out for a little hike and showing a Pennsylvania landmark, let me know. I always do this every once in a while. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.